Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to listen to any radio station on your iPhone. First, you need to download an app. Go to the App Store and search for Radio Garden Live, link in the description. It's a free app. Once you find it, download and open it. When you open the app, you'll see a word map with lots of dots. Each dot is a radio station. You can move the dot to the city you want to listen to. You can also use the search bar to find a specific radio station by name or location. Because the app is free, you will see some ads. You can buy a premium for that. Personally, I don't think is worth that, as the ads are not that annoying. You can save your favorite stations too. Just tap on the station and add it to your favorites. This makes it easy to find and listen to them later. Remember, to use this app, you need Wi-Fi or a mobile data. You can't listen to the stations offline, so make sure you have an internet connection. And that's it! With Radio Garden Live, you can listen to any radio station from anywhere in the world on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your favorite radio station and how you're using this app.